our channel today. Today we're at India, and now it's raining in India. Now I am watching the phone, and Mama's taking video of me. And then after, look at this. It's water. And then after, we have a new bike. Look at that, guys. It has a new bike.
This is not a new bike, baby. And then you missed to take a video.
Yo.
Ayan. Na-miss ni Orlen mag-video, guys. So, boring. After 4 days, guys, balik na kami ng Dubai. After that, bakasyon ulit kami ng Pilipinas. Mag-stay lang kami for 3 days. 2 days lang. Then after, uwi kami ng Pinas.
I'm gonna go to Muscat.
It's not a Muscat. We're going where?
We're going to Dubai, Muscat.
Then after Dubai?
Muscat.
Not Muscat. Not Muscat. Muscat is there with Aka. We are in Dubai, right?
I'm not at Dubai. I am at Muscat.
Muscat is Aka is there.
Huh?
Aka is there.
When?
In Muscat, we chill lang muna. You're gonna fall.
Muna is in school.
Yeah, muna inshallah. We went to school today.
No, only Muna.
See you later, guys.
I'm going to poop. It's raining.
Yes. Labas kami, guys. Yung bahay namin nakapalibot sa kagubatan. Pero malapit kami sa highway. Nauban na. Yes.
The same Udupi. Right, Mama?
Yes.
Don't put the phone inside. I mean, outside.
Okay. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Malapit kami sa highway. Hindi totally highway. Sa kalsada. Ayan, malapit lang kami. Ayan. Doggy, doggy! Ayan. So, ayan guys. Good morning. Continuously. Kanina. Pupunta kami ng Udupi, guys. Kasi, dito may askasuhin na kami. Ni Orlen. Kasi hindi nailagay ni Dada yung number. So, update na. In-update. Pero hindi kami naka-receive ng message kung na-update ba or hindi. So, yan, pupuntahan namin ulit. Ayun nga, kung na-update na. Ito naman guys, yung ang school, college siya. Mga engineering yan dyan guys. Ayan, laki naman ng school na yun. Lubak-lubak. Aray. Lubak-lubak aray ko. Malubak-lubak yung madaan ah. Tinatawag nilang rickshaw. Ayan yan. Parang tricycle sa atin. Ayan, ito na yung main highway. Ditong lane guys is papuntang Manor City. Ito naman puntang Udupi. Ayan. Dito na kami sa main highway. Where's Udupi? Yes, yes. Hi guys. Nandito na kami sa sakyan. Kasi nga, sabi ni Dada, sila na lang doon yung pupunta doon. So kasi encode lang nila yung number. So ayan, antay lang kami dito. Pumunta si Dada, bumalik siya sa sakyan. Sabi niya, kailangan daw si Orlit doon. So, after nung pagbigay ng ng form. So, sasama na rin ako. Ito yan. Kasi sabi niya, while daw na fingerprint, hindi pwedeng
My fingerprint.
number. Fingerprint muna, then after, i-encode yung number. So, ayan. Magantay tayo ng ilang minuto. Buti guys, walang So ayun guys, tapos na kami. Tapos na yung aming mga dapat kasi yun. Ayan, na-enter na yung number. Mobile number, so nag-message na. So ayan, thank you Lord. Tapos na. Ngayon guys, pupunta kami ng church. Yung Ship Church.
What?
Yung Ship Church.
Where?
There, over there. Itong church na to guys, is like, ang design niya parang barko. So, yun tawag, kaya tinawag na Ship Church. So, pupunta tayo doon. Pumasita lang tayo. Kasi first namin bumisita doon guys, kasama pa si mami nila wala na. Kanina na. So, ayan. So, ayan. Pupunta na tayo dito sa church. Ito. Ayan. Palubak-lubak yung daan. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman guys. Wala na naman. Ayan, dito na kami guys sa church. Before not have like this, no, be, no?
Maybe there's something special.
Ito guys, so, look like a ship. Ayan, kaya ginawa siyang ship church. Ayan. Yung design niya. Ayan. Pupunta tayo sa loob. Our Lady of Bailakani Shrine, Kalmati. Ayan. Yeah, nice.
Want to buy something?
No? Sobrang lakas ng ulan guys. As in. Pagsidli lang kami ng kandila. Bumili kami ng kandila. So ayan guys, mag-ano na kami. Magla-lunch dito. Ang ganda. Family lunch bar. Firefly family lunch bar. Orlen, careful. Gutom na ako guys. Wait. Orlen, come this side. Become bar. Bar.
ಸಂಗೀತ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ ಅವಲ್ ಬೈದು ವಿಶಾಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅವಲ್ಲ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋಟೋ
Orlen.
ನಾನು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಅಂತಲೇ
Orlen.
ನಾನು ಬರಿ
I'll put it here. You take it from there.
Favorite.
Mami.
Give me video, mama.
Master mo ito. Auntie mo ko dalawa.
But yeah, this day you have to eat.
What is this? Chicken lollipop. Yummy.
Dada, your favorite song. Can you sing?
Oo.
Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you sing, Dada? Yuck. Your voice
What
sounds
flavor that one? Orlin, what flavor? What flavor? Busy.
What's yours?
This is butterscotch.
Can I try? No, I don't want to try. No.
Come on.
No. Why with the plate? I want with the cone.
There's no corn. Eat guys. Tapos na kami kumain. Nag-dessert ng ice cream. Butterscotch.
Just put that in mix. Just put that in mix. Put that in mix. Put that in mix. Put that in mix. Mix. Why not touch me? You never been this place. You never been in this place.
First time. First time.
You want to been in the first place?
Stop. Yung mga nuts. Milk. Stop. Go, boys. Open, be. Full service.